Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to delete your Shippo account. If you want to get rid of your account and all of its information from the account, then here is how you can do it. First of all, open a web browser and type in goshippo.com to end up in the official website for Shippo. Now once you're inside, go ahead and sign into your account by entering your login credentials. After you are signed into your account, go to the upper right corner and click on the profile icon. Now click on profile from the list. Once you open up your profile option, from the left inside menu, click on plan under account. Now select the close account option. Remember that you've cancelled any plan before you delete your account. And once you click on close, select a reason for leaving and click on close account to confirm. Once you do that, your account will now be closed, including all of your information, and you have been logged out of it. So that is how you will be able to delete or close your Shippo account in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.